Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about choose the correct alternatives, or popularly known as homonyms. Two options will be given, and according to the meaning of the option you have to choose the correct option for the sentence. It depends upon the sentence. So number one, will this medicine relieve pain? One is RELIEF, another is RELIEVE. So here you can see the correct option is relieve, RELIEVE. Why? Because when it indicates about any body pain, body ache, physical pain, at that time it will be relieve, RELIEVE. And when we are talking about any burden, बोझ हल्का होना, ठीक है से माथा का बोझा नामा, that is called relief, RELIEF. At that time it will be relief, RELIEF. But when it is body ache, body pain, it will be relief, VE. Now next question, he came here shortly, recently. Here you can see the correct answer is recently. Now shortly means within a short span of time, एक घंटे में हो सकता है, कल भी हो सकता है, 2 घंटे में भी हो सकता है. That is called shortly. But recently means अभी अभी, just now, এইমাত্র. So the sentence is he came here, वो आया है. This is in past tense, so ছেলেটা আইছে এইমাত্র. That's why here it will be recently. Now coming to question number 3, he will leave for England shortly, recently. Here shortly. Why? Because the person, this person has not left for England. मतलब वो अभी इंग्लैंड नहीं गया है, वो जाने वाला है. ওই পার্সনটা এখনো ইংল্যান্ড গেছে না, যাইবো. দ্যাটস ওয়াই হিয়ার ইট উইল বি শর্টলি, मतलब कुछ ही वक्त में, 1 घंटा 2 घंटा कल. Number 4, it is difficult to go out in a bad climate, weather. The correct option is weather. Now climate and weather. Climate is which changes season wise, autumn season, winter season, rainy season. That is called climate. And day to day changes in atmosphere is called weather. মানে এখন বৃষ্টি, 1 ঘন্টা পরে রৌদ্র. That is called weather. So here the answer is it is difficult to go out in a bad weather, not climate. Number 5, my warning had no effect on the boy. One is E, another one is A. Effect. Here the correct option is E, effect. Why? I will help you understand with an example with earthquake. Suppose अगर earthquake हुआ, भूकंप हुआ, तो क्या हो सकता है? ये बिल्डिंग टूट सकता है, कुछ जगह पानी के नीचे जा सकता है. That is called effect. हो सकता है. What will be the effect? But now suppose कल earthquake आया और उसके वजह से बिल्डिंग टूट गए, कुछ बच्चे उसके नीचे धंस गए, कुछ जगह में पानी भर गया. That is called effect. मतलब जो हो चुका है, और जो होने वाला है that is called effect. So here it will be effect. Why? Because उस लड़के को हमने ऑलरेडी वार्निंग दे दिया है, मैंने ऑलरेडी वार्निंग दिया है, लेकिन उस पर कोई असर नहीं हुआ है. So already warning is given, so that's why here it will be effect. Number 6, he could not adapt himself to the new situation. Here you can see adapt, ADAPT. Now adopt means adopting a child. अनाथ बच्चों को adopt करना, अनाथ बच्चा रे adopt करा. That is called adopt, ADOPT. And adapt, ADAPT, adapt means to adjust in a new environment. Adjust in a new environment. किसी नए जगह में adjust होना. So here he could not adapt himself to the new situation. मतलब वो adjust नहीं कर पाया. Number 7, can you lend borrow me 10 rupees? Now lend and borrow. Lend means देना, borrow मतलब लेना. किसी से लेना होगा borrow और किसी को देना होगा lend. So here it will be can you lend me 10 rupees? क्या तुम दे सकते हो? Number 8, he has easy access to the ministers. One is ACCESS, one is EXCESS. EXCESS access means ज़्यादा करना, ज़्यादा ओवर करना. एंड ACCESS access means कहीं भी आसानी से आ जा सकते हैं, वही है एक्सेस. सो हियर द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ही हैज इजी एक्सेस टू द मिनिस्टर्स. मतलब वो मिनिस्टर्स के घर आसानी से आ जा सकता है. Number 9, my father deals in dairy products. One is dairy, one is dairy. Now first of all, deals in means doing business, and dairy, D-I-A-R-Y, dairy means any personal dairy, school dairy, and D-A-I-R-Y, dairy means milk products. So here we are talking about business, so it will be dairy products. Number 10, we visited some historic monuments in Delhi. Here the option is historical. Now what is historical? Related to history, history related. Monuments, here monuments is given, that is related to history. Monuments matlab kila igla related to history, that's why here historical. But historic, what is the meaning of historic? Historic means याद रखने वाला, memorable, जो जन्मों जन्मों तक याद रहेगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड हिस्टोरिक. सपोज किसी ने एक डांस परफॉर्मेंस दिया और वो बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ, बहुत ही मेमोरेबल, फैंटास्टिक हुआ, दैट इज कॉल्ड हिस्टोरिक, नॉट हिस्टोरिकल. हिस्टोरिकल मीन्स रिलेटेड टू हिस्ट्री. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मॉन्यूमेंट्स इन दिल्ली, सो इट विल बी हिस्टोरिकल. So now question number 11. The old man knew that his death was imminent. Both the pronunciation is imminent, but one is with I, another one is with E. Now see what is the difference. The word which starts with I, imminent, means anything which is about to happen. एक घंटे में हो सकता है, एक दिन में हो सकता है, एक साल में हो सकता है, जे कोनो एक्टिविटी जेटा होई, but definitely it is going to happen. जो हो सकता है, about to happen, but definitely that is going to happen. And imminent, the word which starts with E, imminent means famous, renowned. So here the old man knew that his death was imminent I, which is about to happen, definitely about to happen. Number 12, several boats drowned, sank in the river during storm. Now that's very interesting. Drown का मतलब भी है पानी में डूबना, sank का मतलब भी है पानी में डूबना. But here we are talking about boats. When it is non-living things, that time it will be sank. Boat is a non-living, that's why sank. And when it is living thing, it will be drowned. जब living thing होगा तब होगा drowned. Now number 13, hundreds of soldiers were wounded, injured in the battle. Wounded, injured, इन दोनों का मतलब भी है हर्ट होना. ड्यूटर माने हर्ट, चोट खाना, हर्ट होना. So when someone has hurt you, मतलब किसी और ने तुम्हें हर्ट किया है, at that time it will be wounded. और अगर कभी तुम खुद एक्सीडेंटली हर्ट हो गए हो, that is called injured. So here it is talking about battle, so it will be wounded. Now number 14, he was loved by all for his amicable nature. Now amiable means kind, kind-hearted, and amicable means friendly settlement. मतलब दोनों में झगड़ा हुआ और दोनों ने शांति से friendly settlement कर लिया, समझौता कर लिया. That is called amicable. But amiable means kind, दिल का अच्छा. So here he was loved by all for his amiable nature, means kind nature. Number 15, both the parties came to an amicable, that is amicable settlement, as I said, friendly settlement. Number 16, an eminent writer was invited as the chief guest, so here it will be E, eminent, famous, renowned writer. Number 17, a man of principle, one is P-A-L, another one is P-L-E, is respected by all. Here the option is P-L-E. Why? P-L-E means those persons who follow rules, who are honest persons, and principal, P-A-L, means headmaster of a school. In this sentence it is not talking about headmaster of the school, it is talking about rules, principles, so here P-L-E. Number 18, rose smells sweetly, it will be sweet. The woman narrated the incident shortly and briefly. शॉर्टली मीन्स कुछ ही वक्त में, वो आएंगे कुछ ही वक्त में, शॉर्टली. बट ब्रीफली मीन्स छोटा करके, शॉर्ट करके. सो द वुमेन नरेटेड द इंसिडेंट ब्रीफली, शॉर्ट. Number 20, August 15 is a historical day for the Indians. Here you can see August 15, August Independence Day, and I have marked here historic, not historical. Though it is related to history, independence, but I have marked here historic. Why? Because here we are talking about 15 August. ये दिन एक मेमोरेबल दिन है इंडियंस के लिए, मेमोरेबल, जो जिंदगी भर याद रहेगा. दैट इज वाई इट इज हिस्टोरिक, नॉट हिस्टोरिकल. हिस्टोरिकल मीन्स रिलेटेड टू हिस्ट्री.